No, it's not empty. It's empty.
Oh,
No.
There's
Tripod. I
There's
think-
it is
Show.
very
Open.
large. Very guys. So box is so large and this is so
It was inside it, na? Small
Yes.
one.
yes. We open it and oh, it's so.
It's black color.
And this is
Wow.
a car company. Okay, company tripod. Oh, instruction manual. Oh my goodness. Oh, ah, oh.
Whoa.
No. It is our phone holder.
What is this?
Phone holder.
Oh,
Nice.
great.
And this is our tripod. Large tripod.
And Jacko is super happy.
How do you open it? Like this.
Use scissors.
Oh,
Cool.
and here's the instruction manual. Let's see.
With 1 year warranty.
Yes, 1 year warranty. Wow. And what? Let's open it and set up. Oh,
Get back little bit.
this is our tripod. It is very small. How did it open?
You gotta figure it out.
And there's a hand. Oh, how it opened?
I think it was locked. Wow.
What is it? How did it open?
Maybe to mount your mobile.
I don't think. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Whoa, Jacko. Great.
Oh. This lock too. Oh my God.
Show how to mount the camera.
Huh?
Camera.
Wait a minute.
Set the camera. What I do? How can we carry it? Acha, there is this thing, no?
Yes. There is a handle.
How we can carry it somewhere, wherever you want.
And there is our tripod. It's not very large. So we can look. Here's it.
Go in front of the camera. Go there.
So hello guys. Today we are.
Oh, you're high.
Look,
Okay.
let's increase the height.
No.
Wait a
Decrease it. Yes. Downward. Move. Yeah. Now I can see you. Yes. So this way we can mount our camera, na?
Yes. Oh. It's rotated up, down, and left and right. Hello guys. There's our tripod and looks.
What's the price?
What is
Under
it?
1500.
Under 1500. Oh. Hello.
And the link is
And the link is description.
in the description box.
You can buy
From Amazon.
from Amazon and it is very good and best quality and very light.
Even a small child can handle it, na?
Yes.
It's so simple to use.
Yes.
Show.
Most normal.
Wow. And how can we carry it? Show. If you want to carry it somewhere.
Somewhere.
You can use that handle. This one.
We can like this.
Hmm.
We can unlock fastly.
Hmm. Then
Then we go like that.
make it small size.
We can do faster.
It's portable.
Portable. Oh,
If you want to go somewhere, how would you carry it? Show. Huh.
I will do like this and
Hmm.
put it and unlock it.
Okay. And then?
Then like
Oh. Carry?
this.
Wow!
This
You have closed it. Great.
and like this.
Wow. So great.
And it is like the snipers.
What do you want to say at last?
It's like the sniper pot.
Now say what you want to say at last.
It is very good quality and I like it so much. Bye bye.
Hope you like.
Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and share.